watla ka suru nong maulai bat kibe ki seng bhalang ki berngem ban pinjuri ka cheki lada ka sarkar ka sngap kuman halor ka jingdawa jongki ban wekam shipor ki pudet ki badan khti ha ka basiat yap yu ba cher se feel thank you henre ka sarkar jila ka yeng scam hala ka jingong bakan up eka kai phot na ka judicial inquiry ukondat ulakran sha yakane da ka boong bala thungi ka jing to ket ban lab ki jing shisha bar kumta de ban ailat pa ka jing to ket kan yat bar onle eka badan kam tar hadu ban yo eka kai phot jong ka ni ka jing to ket.
We have been very clear that we have set up this judicial committee, and the purpose of the judicial inquiry, the purpose of the judicial inquiry is to find out the facts and details and who is responsible for whatever actions. Now, it is not appropriate for us to not give a fair chance for the trial and for this inquiry to take place. Therefore, what we are saying is that once inquiry reports come in, that's when the action can be taken. Now, if we were to simply go with our thoughts and our minds and what we think, or we think is certain person is responsible and take action, I don't think that's fair at all. We cannot be the judge without really having an inquiry conducted into the entire aspects. So that's what we're saying. And if we have to go with plain, simple suspension, we may have to bring down 300, 400, 500 people, maybe everybody who's involved, because we don't know who's involved where. So it's not that simple, and I would urge everybody that, and in fact everybody, majority of the people have welcomed the move of the government to put up the judicial inquiry, which is done, and let the judicial inquiry complete its inquiry, and then accordingly action will be taken.